Today we're going to talk about stoichiometry, and I'm going to show you that stoichiometry is as easy as making a sandwich. How so, you say? Well, let's make a pretend sandwich. We're going to start with a slice of bread. On that slice of bread, I'm going to put 2 slices of bologna. Then I'm going to top that with 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 3 slices of pickle, and another slice of bread to make my sandwich. What was that recipe again, you say? That really looked like a delicious sandwich. What was that recipe? Well, we had 2 slices of bread. I had 2 slices of bologna. I had 1 slice of Swiss cheese, and I had 3 slices of pickle. Those were my ingredients to make one sandwich. So this is very similar to stoichiometry in that stoichiometry is basically using a recipe. The recipe it uses is a balanced equation. But I'm going to show you in this analogy how we could do stoichiometry with a sandwich recipe. If you look at these ingredients, these are ratios of things. So for every 2 slices of bread, I need 3 slices of pickle to make a sandwich. For every 2 slices of bologna, I need 1 slice of cheese to make this sandwich recipe. We're going to start out with the concept of a mole ratio in stoichiometry. And in the balanced equation, we will use coefficients. So these are standing in for coefficients, the numbers of things you need to do to make up this recipe. In a stoichiometry problem, we only really deal with 2 things, a known and an unknown substance. We'll solve all our problems with knowing one thing and then solving for the unknown thing. Show you how this works. Let's say instead of having 2 slices of bologna, you have 6 slices of bologna. So that would be a known quantity. Question we want to answer is, how many slices of cheese would we need to make whole sandwiches? So you have a ratio. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. So when you have 2 slices of bologna, you have 1 slice of cheese. So if you have 6 slices of bologna, you need 3 slices of cheese. That's your answer. Pretty easy, right? Let's look at another one. What if I had 9 slices of pickle? Now how many slices of bread would I need? Well, for every 3 pickles, I have 2 slices of bread. So for every 9 pickles, I would need 6 slices of bread. Okay, makes sense. You can do these things in your head. How would you lay this out if you were working with stoichiometry? Well, if you're working with stoichiometry, this mole ratio takes the form of the unknown coefficient over the known coefficient. So to put this in mathematical terms, what we would start with is, for instance, let's look at this relationship here. Here, the known thing is 6 slices of bologna. The unknown thing is slices of cheese. We want to multiply this by this mole ratio, and you get the mole ratio, these numbers, from the recipe. The unknown thing that we're looking for is the cheese. That goes on the top, 1. There's 1 slice of cheese for every 2 slices of bologna. So 6 times 1, 6, divided by 2 is 3. Same answer that you get by doing that in your head. But this is the way we're going to do our stoichiometry problems using this mole ratio. Let's look at this example. We have 9 slices of pickle. That's our known. We want to know how many slices of bread do we need. We're going to multiply that by the mole ratio. Our unknown, slices of bread, let's go back to the recipe. For every 2 slices of bread, we have 3 slices of pickle. So it's all set up for us. Let me label everything. So 9 times 2, 18, divided by 3 is 6. So there you go. This is going to be the format for your stoichiometry problems when you're solving the simplest stoichiometry problems.